Yeah, I mean, you know, it won't be like immediate, but like give me a couple days, and I can.
Ida. Hey, pretty girl.
Yeah, because what he basically is, he needs something with better gas mileage, and that van's new enough that's going to have
Seymour.
Ignition.
Seymour.
An individual ignition coil for every cylinder.
You're on video, bitch.
It has the
Taking
power
pictures
and
of me
the
taking pictures.
and the economics that he's looking for.
Cassie.
What's up?
Say hi.
Hello.
You're on Candy Cam.
Yeah.
I'm about to get the dog
Yeah,
off everyone's back.
Yeah, he's
there you
looking
go,
for a big
Pink.
work van with better
Seriously,
gas
come on.
mileage. What you doing
You're
right
welcome. I got the best seat in the house.
now?
It
Yes,
is
you
so
do.
We have a
tasty.
bonfire at my place in beer. Yep. Alright, Seymour Butts is here, Steve Gant's here,
That's right,
Cass is
bitches.
here, Tyler Val's here.
Where is Ty? Ty, get your ass over here already,
He's still
goddamn.
in his car.
Son,